Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you Ipsy Ultimate. Now, I had no idea that this was coming, like zero. So we're gonna get into this. So I open it up and this is what I see. This box is $50 a month. And I don't know, let's just kind of dig into it. This will be another upload today. I really hate doing that. I hate uploading more than one video a day, but there are just certain videos that you guys want and you want them right now. And if I would have known that, I wouldn't have put Tribe up today. If I would have known that this was coming, I wouldn't have put Tribe up today. So sorry. Video overload. I do apologize. I am sorry. I try to avoid it as much as I can. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's see. The first thing I am pulling out is a lip fondant. That's really cute packaging. Hold on. Let me see. Have they started like putting things in here yet? I don't see any sort of an anything. Oh, I'm feeling crooked. There we go. Okay. So, oh wait, this is it. So, but it doesn't like tell you anything. It's just a little pamphlet. It doesn't tell you anything. So let's crack into this. I really hate it when they shrink wrap packaging because it just makes it so hard to get into. So this is what the packaging looks like. Oh man, if this smells like donuts, it is mine. 100% mine. Okay, so, oh, that's so cute. So this is what the packaging looks like. I just got it on the end of my nose, but that is so delightful. So let's give it a little swatch. I keep forgetting to bring wipes in here. So that's like I don't even know what color that is. It's like it's a red. But it's more on the brownish side. That was a super sloppy swatch. Hopefully it smells so good. Totally mine. Keeping it. Okay, so we also get a bag. This bag is smaller than the typical, well, no, I guess it's all right. So last month's bag was huge, but it's just a silver bag and nothing spectacular. The next thing I am pulling out is, I really wish that they would put like what the products are and all of that kind of stuff. I don't understand, unless it's at the bottom, but they haven't been doing that. So we'll see. The next thing is a Brooklyn and Bailey Lash Next Door. So it is a mascara. I am not going to open it. I have 3 or 4 mascaras open right now. I would much rather pass this along to somebody that could get some use out of it. The next thing I am pulling out is 1-1 Skin or 111 Skin, and it is a cryo activating hydrogel. So this is what that looks like. This is the packaging. Let's see. So it just smells like skincare. It actually reminds me of No. 7 skincare. Now I know that that's kind of popular. I don't like the smell of it, and it also makes me break out. That's what this reminds me of as far as the smell is concerned. It's just a little too strong for my sensitive skin, so I will pass this along so somebody else could get use out of it. The next thing I am pulling out are 4 face masks. You guys know I'm always down for some face masks, so cool. The next thing I'm pulling out is by Skin & Company, and it is Truffle Therapy, and face gommage. It's a polishing micro exfoliant. Now, I love this brand. This is an excellent brand. So thank you for putting that in here. Let's take a peek at the packaging. Yep, so that's what the packaging looks like. And I'm happy to have it. There is something from Too Faced in here. So you guys know that I love Too Faced. Okay, so their products are pretty good too, but I love the packaging. I am such a sucker for their packaging. And what is this? Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. That is just so adorable. That's so cute. What is it? I really hope that this is not the body powder. I actually just bought this stuff. Let me open it up and look. I'm not seeing, let's see, there might be descriptives on the back here. Let's see. Kissable Body Shimmer. This is the stuff I just bought. So the T on this is at Ulta. This stuff is on sale right now because I just bought it, and you'll see it in a haul coming up here soon. But I'm almost 100% sure this is the stuff that I bought. So it has a safety seal. I'm not going to open that right now. I want to smell it so bad though. Hold on. I'll peel it back just a tiny, tiny bit. Hold on. Oh my God, that smells so delightful. Okay, I'm gonna tape it back down. So it's a body shimmer, and it is just like a goldish color. And if this is the stuff that I just bought, I can't believe this is just unreal. So since I did peel this one back a little bit, I will keep this one, and the one that I just bought, I'll actually put it in a giveaway for you guys. Maybe, possibly, probably. The next thing I am pulling out is a Butter Balm Hand Cream by Delectable. And let's see. Does it have a safety seal? It does have a safety seal. Oh, that smells so good. Ah. Okay, I'm gonna just pull the safety seal off because I love it. Keeping it. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like, I don't know, sugary, fruity. I don't know, it just smells. All right, let's do this because, oh, that smells so good. I love it. I'm so in love. I will stick this in my purse. I am super happy with this box so far. You know, I don't know if you guys have been paying attention, but Ipsy Ultimate has been disappointing. Like disappointing. And I am so happy with this box. Okay, so this is a lip balm by Pacifica in Persian Cherry. I'm not going to open this. I do have lip balms that are open, but I will 100% keep this because, well, I'm a lip balm addict. Okay, the next thing is, we designed this brush to make your life easier. So it's a contour blush brush. Okay, so I'm gonna pull it out and show it to you. I will probably pass this along in a giveaway, but I just wanna show it. Ooh, that is super. Okay, so I'm not going to take this out because trying to put well, I guess I could, can I put it on? Yeah, okay, so I can do this. So this is what the brush looks like. That's a really cute brush. But I will just pass this along to one of you guys because I know you guys are always looking for brushes. So stick that back in there. And plus I just got a bunch of brushes in my tribe. The next thing I am pulling out is a liquid eyeliner by Illamasqua. I'm not going to open it. I will keep this. Hopefully it does good, but I know that some of my liquid eyeliners are drying out, so I need to keep that. The next thing I am pulling out is a liquid lipstick. I guess that's supposed to say fluid. I really wish that they would put a thing in here. I really, even though I don't read about this stuff half the time, at least I look at it and I glance at it and I kind of see what it is. It's in candy bar. I wonder if it smells. Let's see. You know, I didn't even get tracking for this at all. My Ipsy Plus is supposed to come tomorrow, and I looked for this and it said it was still processing. Oh, totally keeping it. That smells like cake, y'all. I said y'all, my Texan just came out. Sorry about that. That smells like cake. Love it, keeping it. The next thing I am pulling out is a Pixie by Petra, and it is a single eyeshadow. I will pass that along. I am not a huge fan of singles. It is completely sealed. I'm not going to bust into that. But if you can see, I'm sorry if you can't see. Can you see that? I'm sorry if you can't. There we go. That's the best angle. So it's basically 2 shades of brown. And they look satin, but it's sealed. It's like safety sealed, like shrink wrapped safety sealed. So I'm going to keep that on there, and I will just pass that along to one of you guys. The next thing I am pulling out is Smile in Your Incredible Jelly Shot Lip Quencher. Okay, it's also shrink wrapped, sealed. I'm not going to open it. I will keep it just because, again, I'm a freak for lip balms. I cannot believe that I'm shocked. I am just so shocked right now. And then the last thing I am pulling out is a palette. It's a Morphe palette. Okay, so it is a Sculpt and Shimmer Highlight Contour Palette. Okay, so it's called, the name of it's Blend the Rules. Okay, so if you guys know me, you know I am not a huge face palette fan. Oh, it's so wrapped up. Oh, no, it's not. There's an open end. So this is what the packaging looks like. And I will open it to give you a peek, but this will 100% go in the giveaway, what's it called? The big giveaway. I can't think, what's it called? I'm lost. If I was actually talking to somebody, they would be like, help me out, help me out. Milestone, thank you. This will go in the next Milestone giveaway in one of the big boxes. So overall, you guys, I think this was a good box. I enjoyed it. I'm actually very happy with it. Last month's box I was not happy with at all. And the first month, I was just, you know, I wanted to give them a chance. So I was just kind of meh about it. But I'm happy with this box. I think that this was a good box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. I am super, like, this is just so cute. Now, if I happen to have gotten the one that I bought, if it's in a different shade, I probably will keep both. Oh, I'm so greedy. I'm sorry. Sometimes I have to be greedy. I mean, I give so much. I give so much. So I don't know. This packaging is just to die for, and it smells so good. All right, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Have a great day. Bye.